How to register and log into FreeNow. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can register and log into FreeNow. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, download the FreeNow application. If you're an iOS user, head over to App Store, search for FreeNow, tap on Get. If you're an Android user, head over to Google Play Store, search for FreeNow, tap on Install. Now once the application is installed, you have to open up a FreeNow application. If you are not logged in yet, you have to enter your mobile number with your country code. But if you prefer signing with your email, you could also do that. So for now, if you want to head over with phone number, type in your phone number, then you may have to verify your phone number. So enter your mobile number, tap on continue. Now you will get a verification code sent to your mobile number. Type in the code here. So once you complete the verification, you may be prompted to enter your name and create a password. So make sure to follow all of the instructions carefully. Once you're done with that, tap on register or continue, and with that you would have your account on the FreeNow app. You may be logged into automatically once you create an account. If you are not already logged in, head over to login page, tap your phone number, email or password that you created, then tap on login, and with that you'll be logged in into the FreeNow account. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.